Hello from 12963 Lillian Highway in Pensacola, Florida. That's 32506. We have cutie AirBnB for you today. Secluded, setback from the road. Just tucked right away. This home was built in 2002. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Furnished. Let's take a peek inside. Very warm and cozy in here. Warm aesthetically. Okay. Here we are in our living/dining area. Let's see if we can get a better pan of this. Got the vaulted ceiling, the built-in bookcase. The booth seating with recessed lighting as well. Here's our kitchen. Fully equipped, smooth surface stove. Sink, side-by-side fridge, the whole nine. This does complete with a 1-car garage. Pantry. We're actually going to head to the left here. Take a peek at the additional bedroom first before we meander through the master, because the master takes us to the backyard, and that's where we generally end. So here we are at bedroom number 1. Cozy and cheery. Window all its own. And just off of full bathroom. This home is tiled throughout and sitting at 900 square feet. Shower tub combo in both bathrooms. And single vanities. Extra storage here in the closets. And here we are. Master bedroom. Cheery window all its own. As well as the exit to the backyard that we will take a look at shortly. And here we are in the master bath. Shower tub combo. And walk-in closet. Awesome. So now let's take a peek at the backyard. Not fenced on all sides, however, definitely secluded and just your own private oasis back here. Got the bamboo. Just a real kind of natural ambiance. The back porch, bring your little bistro set. Some cozy Adirondacks maybe. This home is sitting on nearly a quarter of an acre, so 0.2496, just a hair short. And this is an income producer, so do reach out for rental history, projections, etc. Again, we are here at 2963 Lillian Highway in Pensacola, Florida 32506. Come see us.